Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today we will be walking through Dalston Market. So today's Saturday, and come along as we walk through the market. The marketplace is not as busy as usual. I don't know why, but it's not as busy. But let's go and have a look and see some of the stuff that you can get at the vibrant and colorful Dalston Market. So come along with us, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to my new subscribers. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking. And come with us as we walk through the streets of Dalston Market. Like, share, and subscribe.